video, I'm going to be playing some more Minecraft INPVP server, and yeah. So we are going to be doing 1 or 2 more rounds of build battles. So yeah. And I didn't do so good last time. I didn't get into first place, but we did do pretty nice. So yeah. And let's see here. So, alright. So, where is the build battles? There you go. There is where the build battles are. So, let's go straight into it. So, yeah, guys. So, let's see. Are we going to wait? Yeah, we're going to wait. So, once this doesn't lag. So guys, I'll be back with you when we start. Okay guys, so we are going to be playing right now, and so it is going to be a beach. It didn't take that long, but it did take quite a bit. So anyway guys, let's start building a beach. Yeah. So, I'm not sure what I'm going to do for this. Oh, I know. So what we could gonna do is we're going to fill some of this with sand, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna place it down with water. We're not gonna place the water though, because to make it a lot more quicker. It'll be really quick guys, I promise. So yeah, let's see if we can do this in 7 minutes. Highly doubt it, but let's see if we can do it. Yeah. So yeah. So here's our plan. We're gonna place all the sand, and then we're gonna make the floor water, so the sand is all gonna fall in the water, and that's how it's gonna go. So yeah, that's technically how it's gonna go. And so yeah, let's. There. I think the troublest part we're going to have is just like, I'm not sure. We're not going to have any trouble. Like, this is going to be the thing that takes most time filling out where the beach is going to be. And I need this beach really wide so I can make a really cool sandcastle. So yeah, we're going to be building that. And then just I don't even think we're going to build an umbrella. I think we're just going to build mats then. Because, like, yeah, that's the thing. Like, it's going to take a while, because the sandcastle we're already going to be planning to build. So, yeah. So, let's start filling this in. So, around, like, 2 minutes, we're going to be done filling this in. Wait, actually, no, 3 minutes, because we're going to need all that time to build the sandcastle and stuff like that. And if we can, we'll make it wider. I just need to make this so wide so like I can actually fit like a sandcastle and like build a moat around it. I was planning to put a moat around it. So yeah. That's what I did another time, and that was really good. So yeah. I think this will be a success, guys. I think we're soon going to be done with this. Because if you see, we already have 3 minutes that we wasted doing this. That's a long time. So yeah. Alright, last row, last column. No, I can't mess up. Okay. Here's the only thing I'm gonna do. That's it. So let's change the floor, guys, to water. And if you see, this is all going to fall down. If it will fall down for me, please. Please fall down. We can't wait forever. Just fall. Wait, can we put... Oh, no. Wait. Do you have to do that? Wait. I'm not sure what you have to do to make it fall. Anyway, we just need to continue. So we have water, and we also need smooth sandstone. So first, wait, come on. Come on! Do this! There! Wait, I did get that. Oh. Oh. Alright. That's what you need to do. So first we're going to make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then just a circle like this. That has a 3. Oh, that's a 3 by 4? No, we don't want that. There. So now what we want to do is we want to place, 3, I think? Yeah, 3. Oh, however it stretches across. Alright. Okay, I'm feeling this. And then like that. There we go. And we can even build a little door here to reach the sandcastle or to go in. So now what I want to do is around, I can't destroy it, and whatever. It's a sandcastle, and yeah. Now what? Actually, I know what we can do. We can do this and have it placed like that. Wait, can we still get into the castle with that? Wait, I think we can. Yeah, you can. You're just gonna have a little bit of a hard time, but that'll be fine for you guys. Well, if they are gonna even come in. Alright, we should have enough time to do this. It's good that we do. Well, if I hadn't forgot, like, about the rule about how you have to place a sand block and then it all falls over. Oh, wait, I know what we need to do. We just need to get some pressure plates, guys. No big deal for this problem. Because what? Oh, wait. I know what we can do. Here and here? No, not what I wanted to do. And then here and here. And then here and here. Oh, never mind. That doesn't work. Then we need to place signs. Oh no. I just figured out the time, guys. No! No! We can't place signs without that? I'm done. Can't believe this. And it didn't even get one block here. Oh my gosh. This is such a horrible build, guys. Thought this was gonna do good. But apparently not. My build got 12 points. Wait. Oh, okay. Well, that's not that bad. I'm going to give this one a good because that's a pretty nice beach. It looks more like an island, so I'm actually going to give that an okay. This one, where's the sand? Huh. I'm going to give this one poop. Because, like, it's not super poop, but really? I'm sorry, but I have to do that. They got a raining effect. Ooh, this is snazzy. I'm going to give this one a good. Because that one is good. I don't know why they use coal, though, but I guess we'll never find out. Am I in second place? I think I am in second. I'm in second. Alright. Good game. If I probably add some carpets, that'd be a lot better. And if I put that one spot in, and yeah, if the water didn't flow in the castle. Like, it wouldn't let me place signs for some reason. That's weird. I should have placed ladders. I should have placed ladders. Why couldn't I think of that? Well, guess I can't think of everything. Alright. So, are we going to wait for a long time? Waiting for 2 players. Waiting for 1 player, 2 players. We are just going to wait and see if this takes a long time. And if it... Actually, yeah. I am going to, I'm going to pause So I'll see you guys when the game is starting. Starting the game, and let's start. So what are we even gonna build when this loads in? Parkour? Oh, I know what I can do. A parkour map. So let's just build some parkour, if it's even possible. And let's build like let's put lava down there, so like, let's put water. No, I have an idea. We have like seaweed around the place, just seaweed and stuff like that. And then like this, it could be like an underwater course, like that. And then we can add some water in. And it looks like it's going to be like a seaweed map. So yeah, that'll be cool. Wait, can this even work so far? And just to let you guys know, I'm not going to be wasting the whole time trying to try this parkour out. Because, you know, it's going to be possible, but I'm going to stink at it. So, yeah. So, we'll just go there, and then there, and then we can do this. Yeah, we can do that. And then, let's see here. We can do it all the way over here. And then 1, 2, 3, and that's enough. So yeah, I'm trying to do the best I can to make this because I want to make sure this is like a really cool like seaweed parkour thing. Or we could just have this our time and you know, 2, 3, and 4. Like this, is this even possible? Okay, that is not impossible jump. Not even close to beat. 1, 2. Yeah, let's do this, but then this is like that. Like that. Yeah. More likely. Is that more likely I'm going to make that? Or is it more like that? Oh, well. Can I even make that? Is that even possible? I'm not sure. Anyway, guys. This is our last round. So, yeah. So, we should make this okay. We should make that okay, yes. And then do that. And then 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's possible. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Is that possible? Yes, that's possible. Let's have it going around here then. Here, we're going to start doing it lime green to give it some color. Yeah, color. Color. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That should be good for us. Oh, we should have changed it to water at the end. I have an idea. We change it to water in the end. Because that'll be way much easier. Easier because, like, then we can build all the pillars correctly. And, yeah. Like so. So, let's see. Is this a possible jump? Yes, that is a possible jump. I'm not sure if that's a glitch, and that's the reason why. But, yeah. So, there we go. And then we should have, I know what we should do. We should make this an impossible jump to jump to. But it's going to be possible once you get over here. So it's going to be like that. That. I know what we should do. We should make this 2 blocks higher. Like that, so you can't jump up that way. Yeah, like that. So it's like, You can't go to this because it's too high. But you can bounce to this, right? Yeah, and then you can bounce to this. And then 1, 2, and this, and then 1 and a 2. And then can you make, that's an epic jump, but can you make that? Let me find out if we can make that. What? Come on, if it glitches, maybe it won't let me. Okay, that's impossible. There we go. That should be possible, or more possible. Oh, it is possible. Yes. Now let's get some more blue. 5 and then that, and then that. Yeah, and then that. And then we can make a powerful gold, like on the seaweed, yeah. Let's make like, what's this? Yeah, no, more like that. And then like there's this island full of gold, and it's like, congratulations, you got to the gold. Yeah. But apparently we learned on the last battle that we can't use signs unless it's actually a particle effect. So we could do a rain effect. Wait. Uh-oh. We need to turn this into water. Put gold here. There. Water. There we go. Okay, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. Okay, I'm happy with that. I'm really happy with that. Wow, wait, what are those? Is that like some kind of mod? I'm not sure what it is. But I voted okay. I wasn't gonna like, alright, what is this? Ooh, that's tricky. And what does this say? Oh. I'm gonna give this a okay. And this, 2 blocks, super poop. Okay, I really have to do that. I have to do that, guys. I just have to, guys. There's no way. Oh, here's mine, guys. How do you like it? It's perfect, isn't it? There's no cheating involved. There's no cheating involved. I'm surprised I got to build that in such a nice one. I got 16 points. Yours. I got it like so. And oh, dude, this is epic, man. That's super good. Library jumps. Gonna give that a okay. Cause like there's not really like much of a thing in it. So yeah. Where am I? Am I in 3rd place, maybe? Can I at least be on one of the podiums, please? I'm 3rd? How was I 3rd? Mine was epic, I thought. Well, anyway, guys, that puts up the video here. And, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. And I will see you guys all later. And bye.